Now the second question is, in the adjoining figure, identify the following. Okay, they've given a figure. Just like the previous question, there are two lines cut by a transversal and 8 angles are formed. Okay, and what is the question? In the adjoining figure, identify the pair of corresponding angles. Okay, so which are all the corresponding angles here? Corresponding angles means angles which are at the same position. Okay, like see, if let's draw it again. These are the two lines A and B, and this is the transversal. Which are the corresponding angles? Angle here is the corresponding angle. Okay, so what is this? This is 4 and this is 8. So first pair of corresponding angles is 4 and 8. Angle 4 and angle 4 and angle 8. Now which is the next pair? This angle and this angle. Okay, they are also corresponding angles. So what is this? This is 1 and this is 5. Okay, so angle 1 and angle 5 are also corresponding angles. Now which is the next pair? This one and this one. Okay, that is 3 and 7. Okay, so angle 3 and angle 7. Now what is the last one? This one and this one. So what is this? 2 and 6. 2, 6. So angle 2 and angle 6. Okay. So you just have to see both the parallel lines and which are all the angles which are in the same position of the two parallel lines. That is, if one is towards the bottom of the first parallel line, second one should be towards the bottom of the second parallel line. And to the same side, if it is in the left side, the second angle should also be in the left side. If it is towards the right side, the second angle also should be towards the right side. Okay, so that is the definition for corresponding angles. Okay, so these are the pairs of corresponding angles in this figure. Okay, now what is the next one? The pair of alternate interior angles. Okay, so again, if you are drawing A and B and a transversal here, which are all the alternate interior angles? Interior angles are 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 interior angles are there. Alternate interior angle means towards the opposite side. If one is towards the top, the other should be towards the bottom, and also on the opposite sides of the transversal. Okay. So if this is the one, this should be the other angle. Okay. So what is this? This is 3. This is 3 and this is 5. Okay. So 3 and 5 are the first pair of alternate interior angles. So let's write it here. Angle 3 and angle 5. Okay. Which is the next one? See, similarly, if you are taking this angle will be, these two angles will be alternate interior angles. Okay. So what is this? This is 2. This is 8. Okay. So angle 2 and 8 are alternate interior angles. So angle 2 and angle 8. Okay, so only 2 pairs of alternate interior angles are there, because if it is, since they have said interior, there are only 4 angles, right, in the interior. So only 2 pairs. So these are the 2 pairs of alternate interior angle. Now what is the next one? The pair of co-interior angle. What do you mean by co-interior? That is also in the interior only. Means these 4 angles will come in that also. But co means towards the same side of the transversal. So which are all the co-interior angles? See here, angle 3 and angle 8 are the first pair of co-interior angle towards the same side of the transversal. Okay, so angle 3 and angle 8 is the first pair. Which is the next pair? Angle 2 and angle 5. Okay, so angle 2 and angle 5 are the second pair of the co-interior angle. Now in the textbook what they have asked is the pair of angle towards the same side of the interior angle towards the same side of the transversal. Okay, so that is the same as co-interior angles. Okay. So these are the two pairs of co-interior angle. Now what is the next question? Vertically opposite angles. So what do you mean by vertically opposite angle? So you have to take each line one by one to find the vertically opposite angle. Okay. So let's take this one A first. Okay. Let's take the line A. Okay. So here 4 angles are formed, right? So if you are taking this angle 2, which is a vertically opposite angle to this one, right? Towards the opposite sides of the vertex. Okay, so if this is angle 2, what is this? This is angle 4. Okay, so the first pair of vertically opposite angles are angle 2 and angle 4. What is the next one? If you are taking this angle, this is angle 1 and this is a vertically opposite angle to that, right? So this is angle 3. So next pair is angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles. Okay, now which is the next one? Now this line is over. Okay, 4 angles are over. Now let's take line B. Okay, if you are taking line B, let's take this angle. What is this angle? Angle 8. Which is the vertically opposite angle to angle 8? Angle 6. Okay, so the third one is angle 8 and angle 6. Okay, now let's take the fourth one. Angle 1 and angle 3. Okay, so the fourth pair is what? Angle 1 and angle 3. Okay, so these are the 4 pairs of vertically opposite angles. Okay, so clear with this also? Now let's move on to the next question.